Hey guys, want to upgrade your home's lighting with an easy overhead porch light installation? Today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. But before we jump in, let me tell you about an exclusive way you can support the channel and get bonus perks along the way. By becoming a channel member, you get early access to new DIY tutorials and full detailed tutorials as well, behind the scene footage and priority replies to your comments. As a member, you'll unlock exclusive loyalty badges next to your name in the comments and live chats, custom DIY themed emojis to use in comments and live streams, and special members only content, including extended tutorials and pro tips that don't make it into the main videos. To become a member, just click that join button below the video.
Came with these here, so I'm going to go ahead and swap this out. These mounting bracket screws for this, and then there's also some washers that come with it. There, I like that way better. I can darn near hang on that thing. Okay, took the ground wire off of here and used it to kind of support the thing. Now I'm going to just take it and wrap it around this right there, secure it there. But this is a nice little pro tip because it's hard to hang on to the fixture and wire up 4 different wires at the same time. So it's nice to have it suspended and have your wires so you're not supporting the weight of the fixture as well. All right, there we go. Now we're just going to go ahead and white to white, black to black. Okay, just tuck the wires up in there into the box. And now what I'm going to do is just screw the nuts on here to hold it. Just push those through there. And all the way up. There we go.
Well, this light was super easy to install. Love the look of it. You can put whatever light bulb you think looks best in here too. Thanks for watching, everybody.